Well, today we're going to take a look at my brand new RIGADOO no pull harness. This is a custom made harness, and this particular one, as you see, has a mount for a GoPro camera, and it's set up for Lola. So Lola is a German Sheperd Cross. The beautiful thing I like about this harness, it's well built, got lots of nice padding inside. It reflects on the name, it's light reflecting, and on the front it has a light reflecting vest. So we'll get her all set up. On this, we're going to put on the GoPro Hero 10 Black, and we're going to use the max lens mode on it and give that a test to see how it interacts with the harness and Lola. So stay tuned, and we'll take Lola out for a walk and see how well this thing turns out. Okay, let's go. Come on. Sidewalk. Come on. Coming? Go home. Go home. Go home. Go home. Go home. Hey. This next video with the RIGADOO harness, the one with the GoPro mount, we have Lola going out at night, and on top of the harness we have the GoPro 10 Hero Black with the max lens and a mod light on it. So we'll give this a whirl and see how it works out in the dark. Once again, here's Lola. Okay, let's go run.